Hi, I'm Hannah and I own the Bead shop.
Hi, my name's Leah and I like coming to work with Mummy and making beaded animals.
We've been running in Nottingham since 2000 and have been in our current location, a beautiful Victorian listed building on Market Street, since 2006. With your help and support, we hope to raise £5,000 to create a fantastic multifunctioning workshop space. I was drawn to the building because of the fantastic bright and spacious workshop room. It has stunning original features, a huge bay window that lets in loads of light, and high ceilings with original coving. To improve how we run the business, we've had to combine our workshop space, which was already being used for classes, kids' parties and meetings, to also include our photography studio and office, which has made the space a little cluttered and chaotic. We've also installed a toilet for our workshop customers to use on the same level. We will use your pledges to cover the cost of finishing the work of the previous builders, including plastering, painting, fixing doors, as well as having bespoke furniture made by a local independent business, The Workbench, including a 2-person silversmithing bench and a custom-made storage unit to fit the original bay window. We're going to have efficient hanging storage to make finding the right tool easy and ensure we can accommodate everything. We hope to replace our inflexible, dated and tired tables and chairs so we can teach more people in the same space and revive the room by redecorating and sanding the floors. We want to create a relaxing and creative environment people want to spend time in. We had the opportunity to work with 2 students from Nottingham Trent Grads for Nottingham scheme, who we set an interior design challenge to create a space that is efficient, clean and multifunctional. The students did a fantastic job of helping us realise the room's potential and came up with some great ideas and solutions to our storage and aesthetic issues. So we could put this plan into action, we investigated various routes for grants and loans to fund finishing and updating our workshop space. Unfortunately, we discovered grant funding just isn't available if you're in the retail sector, and we'd already taken out the maximum loan from the bank for the initial work. We knew we had to be proactive and look at an alternative route, which is where Kickstarter comes into play. We have a talented team here at the Bead shop, and I know they and their students will benefit greatly from these changes.
Hi, I'm Steph and I've been working here at the Bead shop since I left university, having done a fine art degree at Nottingham Trent. I've worked here for almost 12 years now and I specialise in beadwork, silver art clay and teaching basic jewellery making techniques.
Hi, I'm Emma. I also graduated from fine art at Nottingham Trent. Although I was there at the same time as Steph, our paths never crossed until we actually started working here at the Bead shop. As well as running my own creative business, I work in the shop and I teach on workshops. I do mixed media, resin, basic silversmithing and basic jewellery making.
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm a metalwork and jewellery graduate from Sheffield Hallam University and I teach silversmithing here at the Bead shop. I mainly do one-to-one tutorials for people that want to progress with their skills or learn specific techniques.
Not only do I use this room for teaching workshops, I also do the product photography in here. We film a lot of our YouTube videos in here as well. Our office is set up in one corner and we also spend a lot of time in here when we're developing new workshops, doing new kits, and it's a really creative environment, or at least it should be, and we hope it will be once again.
It's so satisfying seeing people who have little or no confidence in their own creative abilities come in and over the space of a couple of hours learn a completely new skill and technique and go away with something that they've made and have an increased confidence in their own abilities, and it's just wonderful to see that, really.
The parties here are really good because you can make beaded animals like this one. This is a lizard or gecko. They're really easy and fun to make.
We all love this workshop room, it's great, but it could be even better. The storage could be better, it would be much easier for us to find things if we had better storage, but also it could look a lot more inviting and a lot more inspiring to all the people who come in our workshops.
In some of our workshops we've taught people a new technique, a completely new area of expertise, and some people have taken those on and used it as a stepping stone for them creating their own businesses, setting up online shops and creating a real success on their own, and being a part of that from the very beginning is really rewarding and really satisfying to see the end results.
My name's Annabelle and I've been coming here for nearly over a year now, and I love it. I have a great time here. I've learned such a lot. This is my teacher, Alex, although some of the other ladies here have taught me stuff as well. I learned the basics of jewellery making, and I wanted to learn more about it. So I've now progressed on to soldering and metalwork, and I absolutely love it.
A purpose-built bench would be fantastic. I would be able to progress further with my students, and I will be able to develop more silversmithing workshops.
So hopefully we'll reach our targets, and if we do that and also exceed our targets, we are hoping to be able to buy some new equipment for this room, so we'll be able to develop further workshops, teach more people, and that'd be really exciting.
We have some great rewards for you, so hopefully there's something there to entice you to pledge, whether it's a treat for yourself or making a pledge to gift to someone else. We also have a fantastic opportunity for you to sponsor someone to attend a workshop with a charity in Nottingham. You can sponsor a place or sponsor a whole workshop, which will give the opportunity for people who otherwise wouldn't be able to attend a class to learn the therapeutic benefits of beading and jewellery making. Thank you for watching our video. Further information about our project and rewards can be found on our project page. We would be really grateful if you could share this with your friends and family and help spread the word and increase the chances of us reaching our target.